2, I'll maximize the size. What happened? It's waiting. Wait. Where it is, I don't know. Some setting issue is there. Can you tell me? Yeah, I got it. Okay, fine. I got it. So I just wanted to modify it. So here, D input, I think now it is visible, huh? Previously size was very less. D input, so whatever name you are giving here, the same, that this output I have taken separated. D input, CLC and reset. And similarly, two output is there, Q and Q complement. So this Q bar, if you take Q complement, it will not take. So that I have simply mentioned QB, capital Q, capital B. Okay, so first we will take the input. 3 input we will take, D in, CLC, reset, then Q and Q bar. Okay, and the name you can give according to your choice. So here we will take input first. Before that, we can connect it. We can take one more.
Sir, where are you? Near there, sir? Okay. You come to near Convent.
Sorry. Where is the component? Yeah, this is component. What is the next word? Okay, I'll write CLC or CLK simply we will write. Next here, reset. So let me connect it. Here also will connect via. Okay, so one more input we need to give. Okay, reset I'm mentioning. Yeah. So here we need to give two output. So it will be Q and Q bar. Fine. Fine. So this is up to this. It is okay for everyone. Yes, 3 input given, D input, clock and reset, then Q and Q bar. Okay. But we are only interested for when we are going for output, we are only interested for D input, clock and Q. No need to take the output of Q bar. 2 input D and clock then Q. This one will be, these three will be enough. So what next we need to do? We have to provide 3 voltage source for D input, clock and reset. Okay, so 3 voltage source actually we need. So I'll go to the circuit again. Like, see, actually we are connecting it here, but we can keep like this also. I think it is known to you. What we are doing, negative side of 3 voltage has been given to ground, and to V1 and V2, that is clock and the input, is given the value like this by using advanced setting. And for the last one, this DC voltage 5 volt has been given for reset. Okay, and CLC means here we have taken the input, this is the voltage, here output port has been used, it means it is going to this CLC, the input and reset. I think this is known to you. It is same as the PSpice also. Okay, this is known to you, am I right? Separately also we can keep, if we don't want to keep circuit very complex, so we can keep like this also. Yeah, it is known to you, students? Please reply for my.
Yes.
Yeah, so we will take V1, V2, V3, 3 voltage source, and here we will give 3 output port. We will give the same name that as we have given here. Okay, so and we will put the value also by using the advanced setting. We are taking 2 pulse value of voltage, and one last one we have taken 5 volt. And this 10 millisecond actually the simulation time that I'll discuss later. Okay, so first we will take voltage source. Fine. Actually, I made the circuit before, maybe meanwhile if some confusion is there, so that I can revise it. So we'll take the voltage, same will go to the component, then voltage, yeah. One, two, three. Yeah. Oh. Fine. So now we have to give negative side of the voltage to ground. For that, let me connect the wires. Yeah, fine. Okay. And this here we will give the output. So for that also we'll take wire first. Yeah, I think this is visibility is better compared to the previous one. Okay, then we'll take again the label. So we have to give output. So first I am giving, what is the name? Let me cross check. This is D input. Second, we will take CLK clock. The last one is reset. Wait. Yeah. Now what next we need to do? We have to give the value of this V1, V2 and V3. Okay. So this is already known to you. Fine. So we will go to advanced setting. We'll take the pulse. The first V initial will be 0. This one always will give 5 volt. This T delay, T rise, these values you can change. Okay. Just you check your plot and you change the value if you. Okay. So what I have given, where I got the best one. Actually, I was just wanted to. Wait. I'll open it again. No issue. Yeah. 5, 1 millisecond, 1 nano, 1 nano, 1 milli, 2 milli. I'll take a snapshot of this. That will be better. So, yeah, I was here. We'll go to advance, then pulse. This is 0, 5, 1 millisecond. So this is not fixed. You can change it. But see this T on and time period. So it will be just double of this one. So this is the value I have given. Yeah. This is for V1, that is D input. Next we have to take for the next one. We'll go to advance again. Again, we'll give the pulse. Yeah, it will be 0. Then 5 volt. All we will give 1 nanosecond. Last, you take the snapshot so that when you are going for simulation, you can refer this. Also, recording will be there, but still you take a snapshot. This total period I'm taking little more, so it will be, yeah. The last one here, 5 volt DC will be enough. Our value of reset we are giving. Okay, fine. So this is done. Anything else is there? Yeah. So next we are going for simulation. This one also you can change. I'm taking 10 milliseconds. Okay, it's up to you. You can change it. Yeah, 2 circuit is visible here actually. First that I have previously drawn, the second which is here. So here you can see the plot also in this way. I told you, you just take the plot of this Q bar and D, sorry, not Q bar is not required. Q bar, Q, D input and clock. So this one also you can run accordingly. Okay, that portion is already known to you. So this one when you will run it, you will get the plot like this. And this is all about the D flip-flop sequential circuit with reset option. Okay, you can try for the another version also. I'm not sure whether any other flip-flop is there or not. Have you taken the snapshot of circuit? I'm asking to everyone. Have you taken the snapshot?
Ma'am, one thing. Ma'am, in that V3 voltage, we don't have to go to that advanced part.
No, advanced is not required. Reset means once we have given the fixed value of 5 volt, it will give you results. So not required to go for the advanced setting. Maybe if you check some other site, just Google it, you will have some more option. Some variety may be there, but for me it is enough, I think. Why to go for the complicated version, but if it is okay. So what is my suggestion? Just check, can you tell me whether any other form of flip-flop is there in this LT Spice software? I have not checked actually. Can you check it now? Any other flip-flop version is there?
Ma'am, there's a T flip-flop.
T flip-flop?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so T will be almost, T will be same as D only. Oh, you can take an attempt for that also. Just I have done for D flip-flop. You try for T flip-flop also. And this 2 you can keep for your task 4. I think this will be enough for task 4. Okay. Now you just take a snapshot and try to complete this. I'm not asking you to show me in today's lab, but whenever your next lab is there, I would like to see the circuit diagram as well as output, the plot of this D flip-flop as well as T flip-flop if you are able to do that. I don't think so you will have any trouble for that. It is easy.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
we actually tried D flip-flop. Can we screen share?
You completed now? Parallelly
Yes.
you are doing, I think, huh?
Ma'am, actually we did it in the morning, but we weren't sure if the diagram was the circuit diagram or the block diagram because we did the same thing as
You
yours.
want to show me? You want to show
Yes.
me?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Just a minute, huh? So can I close it? Is it okay for everyone? Okay. Closing it, huh?
Ma'am, so like for task 4,
Hmm?
the right?
Yes, your voice is not coming. What you said?
Like for task 4, we have only D
Mm-hmm.
flip flop, right? And then T flip
You
flop is
D
not.
flip-flop and T flip-flop. Any other option is there in LT Spice? RS or JK, something is there?
No, ma'am.
So this 2 is enough. You implement T flip-flop as well as D flip-flop. This 2 you try to complete, then this 2 will be enough for task 4. Okay,
Thank you.
fine.
Yes, ma'am, fine.
So I'm not expecting to show this by each and every one of you right now. But if somebody has done, then they can show. Who was asking for permission?
Ma'am, me, Akshara.
Yeah, please raise your hand, Akshara. Yeah, thank you. Akshara, you can show.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see?
Can you zoom in? Only circuit diagram I'm interested.
Yes,
Ah, same thing I think you have taken, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is same one. Yeah, this is correct only.
Okay, ma'am.
I think you have followed the same one that I have taken.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Oh, you can do one thing. I'm telling to each and every one of you what value of voltage has been taken. It is not compulsory to keep the same value. You change the value of voltage and check the other values also. Q bar, if you want to see the plot, how it is looking, and other things also by different values of voltage, different time periods are there, T on, T off. So by changing the value, just see how it is varying. Check the variation also. Otherwise, it is easier only. There is no confusion at all. And same concept, you please apply for T flip-flop and try to implement. I would like to see that implementation in next lab. And probably your next lab will be there after your CAT 2 exam. Am I right? Can you tell me the last date
Yes,
for
ma'am.
uploading the document for task 4 and task 5?
Ma'am, I think
11th
it's
June.
June 11th.
11th June. How long your examination will go?
Ma'am, till 6th. I guess.
6.
So do we have any lab class before 11th June? any Monday we will have before 11th or till 11th.
Ma'am, 7th June, I think.
So this is working day only, huh? 7th June. Let me check.
Ma'am, I'm not sure.
Yes, ma'am. Only
I'm
one.
checking. One class is more than enough. No issue. One class is more than enough. That's okay. Previously, 2 class was there. Before that, now it's changed. That's okay. But you can show me this T flip-flop and D flip-flop by that particular. So don't keep it on hold. Just complete it so that after your exam, you can show me. Because you will not have lot of time for this particular experiment. At the same time, you have to prepare for your class also. So try to complete this before CAT 2 will start. Okay?
Ma'am, for the fifth experiment, what do we have to do?
This fifth experiment that we'll discuss. Probably I am planning to have one means Viva session type oral question kind of session I will hold probably. So I'll inform you, don't worry. Because if oral exam is there, that will be there after your CAT 2 only. So whatever portion is there for CAT 2, the same portion will be there for your oral exam. So in any one of your class, I will hold the session. So I'll let you know. Nothing to worry about for that. Okay?
So that is only fifth experiment instead of.
Yeah. Or if there is no time, if time is not there, then what we will do? One, you can upload in this task 4, that is D flip-flop, and another one that is T flip-flop, you can upload for task 5. But right now, these 2 will be part of your task 4 only. But if time is there, if for Viva we have time, then we'll go for that. If it doesn't have time, then we will divide this into task 4 and task 5. All depends on time because meanwhile 1 week gap is there. So I'm not sure about that. That's why I'll let you know. Don't take any tension for that. Just focus on your exam and prepare for your exam. That's it. Okay? Nothing to worry about for that.
And when is lab fat likely to be? Like after catalog, tentative dates?